Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Java interview questions. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language and is platform independent. Java is a collection of objects. It was developed by Sun Microsystems. There are a lot of applications, websites, and games that are developed using Java. What are the features of Java? Answer. Features of Java are as follows. UP concepts. Object-oriented. Inheritance. Encapsulation. Polymorphism. Abstraction. It is platform independent. A single program works on different platforms without any modification. High performance. JIT, just-in-time compiler, enables high performance in Java. JIT converts the bytecode into machine language and then JVM starts the execution. And multithreaded, a flow of execution is known as a thread. JVM creates a thread which is called the main thread. The user can create multiple threads by extending the thread class or by implementing the runnable interface. How does Java enable high performance? Java uses just-in-time compiler to enable high performance. It is used to convert the instructions into bytecodes. Name the Java IDEs. Eclipse and NetBeans are the IDEs of Java. What do you mean by constructor? Constructor can be explained in detail with unlisted points. When a new object is created in a program, a constructor gets invoked corresponding to the class. The constructor is a method which has the same name as the class name. If a user doesn't create a constructor implicitly, a default constructor will be created. The constructor can be overloaded. If the user created a constructor with a parameter, then he should create another constructor explicitly without a parameter. What is meant by the local variable and the instance variable? Local variables are defined in the method and scope of the variables that exist inside the method itself. Instance variable is defined inside the class and outside the method, and the scope of the variables exists throughout the class. What is a class? Answer is all Java codes are defined in a class. It has variables and methods. Variables are attributes which define the state of a class. Methods are the place where the exact business logic has to be done. It contains a suite of statements or instructions to satisfy the particular requirement. What is an object? An instance of a class is called an object. The object has state and behavior. Whenever the JVM reads the new keyword, then it will create an instance of that class. What are the OOPS concepts? Answer. OOPS concepts include inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, interface. What is inheritance? Answer. Inheritance means one class can extend to another class, so that the codes can be reused from one class to another class. The existing class is known as the superclass, whereas the derived class is known as a subclass. Inheritance is only applicable to the public and protected members only. Private members can't be inherited. What is encapsulation? Purpose of encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit, for example, a capsule which is mixed of several medicines. Protects the code from others. Code maintainability. What is polymorphism? Answer: polymorphism means many forms. A single object can refer to the superclass or subclass depending on the reference type, which is called polymorphism. What is meant by method overriding? Answer: method overriding happens if the subclass method satisfies the below conditions with the superclass method. Method name should be the same. The argument should be the same. Return type should also be the same. What is meant by overloading? Answer: method overloading happens for different classes or within the same class. For method overloading, subclass method should satisfy the below conditions with the superclass method or methods in the same class itself. Same method name. Different argument types. There may be different return types. What is meant by interface? Answer: multiple inheritances cannot be achieved in Java. To overcome this problem, the interface concept is introduced. An interface is a template which has only method declarations and not the method implementation. What is meant by abstract class? Answer: we can create the abstract class by using the abstract keyword before the class name. An abstract class can have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods that are a concrete class. What is the final keyword in Java? Answer: final variable. Once a variable is declared as final, then the value of the variable could not be changed. It is like a constant. Thanks for watching and subscribe Code.Tutorial.